Alright. Primary items. Friction's off. Friction's off. Hydraulics are working.
Tower Archer 526 Golf.
Hydraulics off.
10 miles out at 2,500. Requesting full stop.
Everybody's moving. Hydraulics on.
Runway 33. Correction 15. Runway 15, 3 mile final, 526 Golf.
Engine up. Is the heater on?
No. It's right here.
Okay, good. We'll cool off as we get moving. I'm starting to warm up.
Engine warms up, you warming up. All right.
Mark Tower Center, 6 up Tango, maybe left down.
Looks like it'll be left turns.
15 clear to land, 6 up Tango.
There it goes, it's picking up. Clutch lights on.
I want to wait for that to go out. I want to do the rest of the checks.
Clutch lights out. Warning horn check. Pulling up slightly. Rolling off the throttle. 95-ish. Let it recover. Secondary hydraulic check. Hydraulics remain on. 1 inch back, 2 inches forward, 1 inch back.
Okay.
Seems good. And final sweep. Warning lights off. Gauge is green, green, green. Plenty of fuel for about 1.8. About 1.2. All switches are on. Radio set. GPS set. Comms check. And circuit breakers check. Ready for liftoff. We have X-ray. And we're runway 15.
All right.
Good to go?
Yep. It'll come up. We'll try to stay over the dolly.
Coming up, trying to stay over the dolly. There we go. Making sure the friction was off. It felt a little tight. You all right?
Yep.
You're getting your hand ready?
Yep.
Thank you. That is
as slow as we can go off the dolly.
That is your job. 18. All right. Eyes forward. Inches. Hitting light.
Okay.
706 Alpha Tango, right off enabled, and Foxtrot ramp Alpha back to 15.
Right enabled, Foxtrot Alpha back to 15. 6 up.
Over the dolly, moving forward. Hitting out of into the hash area. Going down here.
Come on down to Mother Earth.
And we have X-ray, runway 15, training area 2.
All right, dolly looks clean.
Dolly is clean.
All right, we'll just start taxiing straight. Nice and slow.
Martin Tower, Middle River 1 with X-ray.
Middle River 1 Tower.
Middle River 1, we'd like the south pad for training area 2.
Middle River 1 south pad, clear for takeoff. You can cross the axis for training area 2.
Middle River 1, clear for takeoff to training area 2 from the south pad.
Tower 1 Hotel Alpha off the West Sky Park Northwest on the back river.
Roger.
Warning lights are off. Get over the line. Come down to earth.
Morning Tower, 526 golf, 3 miles away.
Plenty of fuel.
Archer 526 golf, over
Car beat out of the yellow.
Departing, correction, crossing midfield, right to left helicopter.
All right, we can go in front of the planes.
Yep.
Take the land when we're 1
And they're waiting on us.
And on the go.
I'd probably be closer to the helicopter.
Okay.
Don't want to damage any aircraft on the ground. You're not going to damage the helicopter because the blades are turning, but... What's the airspeed?
Winds are calm.
But guess what I had for lunch yesterday?
What?
Pizza. And guess where I had it?
In New York.
New York City. Yeah, the student had a good time. He was like, man, I've never flown up here. This is awesome.
Where'd you go to New York? In New York?
We went to White Plains Airport. We flew down to Hudson, which is what he wanted to do. Then we went to White Plains Airport, got some fuel, got some pizza, and then flew back down to Hudson and then came back.
Were you in this?
He's got his own R44. There you go, right about there. Looks like a good steep approach angles.
Okay. Lowering.
Now you just want to hold the same angle that you got now. To make sure you have that 400 to 500 foot descent rate, and then you're slowing down to 40. There you go, this looks good.
I think I had a too high of a descent rate before.
Yeah, I don't know where you entered it, so I don't know if you'll be able to look at the camera and find out.
That's okay.
If you entered it the same spot.
I did. I just descended at 600 for a little bit.
There you go, just keep her at this angle. Start really pulling in that power, pushing on the nose because you don't want it to stop.
312 Golf Victor, holding short, 15 ready.
Fiat 312 Golf Victor, Martin Tower, 15 clear for takeoff.
Takeoff, 152 Golf Victor. Martin Tower, 471 Mike Romeo, left downwind of beam of numbers with departing traffic in sight, requesting the option.
Sky Help, coming in Martin Tower, 15 clear for the option.
Good.
The option 151 Mike Romeo.
Better?
Yep. Martin State Tower, middle of 1, let you get 700.
Beautiful Martin Tower, 700 approved.
Middle of 1, thanks.
All right. Warning lights off. Gauge is green, green, green. Plenty of fuel. Car beat out of the yellow. On the go.
Middle River 4, say your destination again.
We'd like to go to training area 2 from Middle River 4.
Middle River 4, I have company traffic in there now.
Copy that, we can join them.
Yeah.
Middle River 4, Roger, taxi and hold south pad, landing traffic for 15. Middle River 4, taxi and hold south pad.
Taxi and hold south pad, Middle River 4.
That was Sean that answered instead of Dwayne. All right, we'll get the airspeed out to landing checks. Nice straight with the buildings.
Warning lights off. There we go.
Okay, so once you're in it, don't move your left hand unless you're looking at the cage. Okay. Remember, when you turn about 90 degrees this way, you may need to raise the collective a little bit because that's when the RPM is going to start climbing, right? So you just need to look at it. If you don't feel it, just gotta look at it.
2, 1. Nope. Down right aft.
There we go.
Holding off. 3. Go settle. Let her settle. Start to turn.
Okay.
Pushing forward.
Yep. Right about here, you're gonna hear the RPM climb a little bit. Keep that turn coming. Keep the turn coming. Keep the turn coming. Lead off a little bit of that airspeed. Now go into your flare. go. Looking better, looking better.
Jet Prod 378, over Sierra 15, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 15.
Alright. Now what? We'll probably do some straight in, so they're coming, so on we go.
Warning lights off, gauges are green, 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 plenty of fuel, carpet out of the yellow, on the go.
Sure, you find 7346.
Alright.
Enter.
Gotta be flying 90 knots in the pattern. Something's gonna happen.
Alright.
1. Correction 2.
Get her lined up straight. 3, 2, 1. All the way down. Roll her off. Start bleeding off the airspeed to 70. Slowly. There you go. Good. Hold 70 now. Lower the collected just a tad.
Collector's all the way down.
There you go. Flare. Throttle. Very nice. Just go ahead and take off. I'll let you out. Gauge the green. Plenty of fuel. Curve beats out of the yellow. There we go.
Yes, sir.
Alright, we'll continue on downwind.
Alright, so 500 feet, 70 knots, looking good to me.
706.
They're in the crosswind there.
Sure, 6 Alpha Tango.
Skyhawk, Mike Romeo. How far on final are you?
About 2 miles now, 1 Mike Romeo.
Alright.
346, Skyhawk, and side off for your 2 mile final.
1. Down.
346.
Right aft, holding off.
346, confirm traffic and
Holding off. Pushing forward just a hair.
346, you can
RPM
turn
looks
base,
good.
tighten that Skyhawk, runway 15, clear touch and go on
Alright,
2.
eyes are outside.
Alright, clear touch and go. Keep in the
Little flare.
346.
There you go, nice.
Bigger flare. Crack the throttle. Push forward.
Hey, Roger, expect your
And
left
recover.
brake departure end.
Going departure on left brake.
Alright.
Right on the money.
Wow.
Sweet.
Warning lights off. Gauge is green, green, green. Plenty of fuel. Carpet out of the yellow.
River 1 Martin, try to get a second A10 in sight.
Looking, hold on.
He's a gray one, just off your right.
Inside. Yeah, it's green when we see it. Okay, we got the gray one.
Middle 4, the A10 is just passing Juliet.
Yeah, we got the gray one.
And that's middle 1, thank you. You can cross runway 15 and proceed to the slope area, passing behind that traffic.
Okay, passing behind the second 810 and to the slopes.
706, I would take it, Washington, runway 15, line up.
Alright, one more, we'll go back.
Thank you. Lifting off.
Okie doke.
A 2-footer.
No, same as we just did, so we're up around 5. Alright, that's normal height, so we're going to go up a little bit.
Alright.
Alright,
Ready?
you ready?
3, 2, 1. Rolling up slowly.
Let her
Right.
settle, pull.
Right there, 0 Foxtrot Hotel, just
Piece
off
of cake, right?
the Skyhawk short
Nice,
file.
very good. Very good on the pedals, see, that was super straight.
Yeah. Practice.
Yeah, it's just all a matter of looking out there and not looking right here. Like some people look right here. Look out the distance so you can see if that nose is turning. If you look here, yeah, you can see the nose is turning, but it's a delay.
Alright, you're blocking my view. Is there a light right next to us?
No, we're in the middle of the two.
Okay, lifting off.
415 Charlie Alpha, midfield, full stop.
Archer 4-5 traffic, send now.
Alright, we're going to go back now.
Right to your right.
Yep.
He'll call the base.
We're going to go straight in? Or over?
Yep.
Winnie 7 with Victory, 15, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 15.
I'm noticing when I lift off, there's a lot of aft.
Skyhawk 211, 9 Quebec, right turn off on Juliet, Foxtrot the park.
Right turn Julie, Fox Park, 19 Quebec. Nice job.
Yep, getting lower and lower on fuel.
Alright, I'm up.
Gas in is getting heavy.
Left pedal turn. Feel clear right. Do I go on the grass?
Yep.
Okay. We're in training area 1?
Nope, training area 1's the grass over there. We're in the slope area. Slope area for the south pad.
Martin Tower, middle over 1 in the slope area for the south pad.
Bit of one Martin Tower, proceed to the south pad.
Proceeding to the south pad, middle over 1.
You're clear to land traffic, exiting the active Juliet Skyhawk.
Traffic in sight, middle over 1.
Alright, go ahead and take off.
Wing 71 Victor, runway 15, clear for takeoff, left close traffic.
I see him.
Cleared for takeoff, left close traffic, 9 east home.
Alright, you want to go around the...
For 415, Charlie Alpha.
Yeah, we're going to go in between hangars here.
Got it. I'm way too fast, slowing down.
Full stop for Charlie Alpha.
Yep.
Roger, clear to land.
You don't want to be above 100 feet either, right? Because
I'm getting down.
air taxi's below 100 feet.
1 Mike Romeo, left midfield.
There's 146.
Stop, and we're looking for that Archer traffic.
There's 43.
You want to kind of keep that, steeper approach angle to the south pad. Don't get too low.
Correction, cleared to touch go number 2.
This looks good.
For touch and go number 2 and traffic in sight for 1 Mike Romeo.
Chicago Mike Romeo, 115, you're cleared to land.
Clear to land, number 2, 1 Mike Romeo.
Alright, just keep the nose straight until you come to a stop.
There we are.
Follow the yellow brick road.
Oh, MD500.
Yeah.
Well, that felt good today.
Yeah, it was good. I mean, the autos will, the wind will help you, but you didn't have no wind today, and you were still, you're doing good, so. Autos are usually easier with the wind, but today, no big deal.
All right, time to slow down. Tail is clear right.
Yeah.
I'll try and not hang off the back of the dolly today.
That'd be good.
All right. Let it stabilize. And inching forward. Inching forward. Eyes forward. Inching forward. Starting to descent. Starting to descent. Descending. Descending. Watching the blocks. Descending. Descending. Pushing forward just a little bit.
Martin Tower, moving on to East Victor, left midfield downwind.
All right.
Victor 937, Victor number 2, following us.
There I am. How do I look?
Have fun, right, 15.
They're good. Just come straight down.
Roger that, have the traffic, number 2 for 15.
Don't back up.
1 Victor.
Archer 5, Charlie Alpha, left, correction right off on Juliet, Foxtrot, the park monitor.
Better? Yep.
Right, Juliet,
We'll straighten her out a little bit.
Ground, point 8, Charlie Alpha.
That's good. All right, throttle timer, lights, brakes, and checklist.
Throttle 65. Timer. Lights. I could just see the square out of the corner of my eye. Friction, pushing up to 65, I went too far. Friction. Checklist.